You know, those pants right to get ready.
Got the motor and transmission out now, working on sandblasting and cleaning under here is the next step. You can see where Dad took and sandblasted this section of it already. There's a little sample, just testing it out. And got a bunch of new parts over here. He got complete, brand new, pretty much brand new everything to get started on taking the suspension out. Because you can see a lot of damaged parts there. But we're underway. That's where we're at now, and I'll keep everybody in tune to the progress after we get this thing all cleaned up, and gonna try to make it right. Thank you.